Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view your Spotify 2025 Wrapped. So the moment we've all been waiting for is here. Spotify Wrapped 2025 is officially rolling out, giving you all the stats on your top artists, favorite songs, genres, and even your unique listening personality. So here I'm going to show you the exact way to find your rap in Spotify. Now let's just get started. So the fastest way to see your rap is just check the app home screen. As you guys can see in here, on the home screen, you'll easily spot it's time for your 2025 Wrapped. So you can just click on Let's Go in here to see a wrap, or you can also click on the one at the top. I think I'm going to just click on the banner here. Okay, so here is my Spotify Wrap. Here you can just swipe up to see yours. You'll see how many songs that you listened. Okay, so I listened for 3,243 minutes, and in here I listened to 91 genre, and in here my top genre is Indonesian pop. And you guys can see each of these category. You can directly share it to your story by clicking on this buttons right here, and you can share it to your Instagram story if you want to, or you can also download it first. But let's go back to the wrapped. Scroll down again. Okay, so my listening age is 34, and okay, so I listened to 346 songs, and here is my number one here. Okay, so this Spotify also give you your top songs, and it will make you a playlist of all your favorite songs. You can just click on add to your library to save the playlist, but I'm gonna just skip it for now. Okay, and these are the artist collections that I listen to a lot. Scroll down again. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can see your rap in 2025, and in here you can directly share it by clicking on this buttons right here. Click on share, and you can share it to your stories, and again you can download it. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. So check your rap now on Spotify. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.